Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Many iPhone users are facing this problem. Vertical lines appear on their iPhone. Mostly this problem is caused by a hardware problem on your iPhone screen. This issue may be caused by a software issue. Sometimes this problem also occurs due to your iPhone being dropped or your iPhone being subjected to too much stress. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this issue. Solution number 1. Force to restart iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Press the side button to turn on iPhone. Solution number 2. Go to Settings. Tap on General. Tap on Software Update. Make sure your software is up to date. Solution number 3. Go to Settings. Tap on General. Tap on Shutdown. Drag the slider to power off. Press the side button to turn on iPhone. Solution number 4. Gently press the screen towards the side, such as the upper right corner of the screen. Don't press hardly. I hope your problem is solved. So guys, like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.